So guys, don't you think that the first question that you should be asking to yourself and to your faculty is, what is the meaning of food processing? So let me give you the answer of food processing. So see, I'm going to show you a picture. Now see this, guys. What is this? Your favorite cashew nuts? But have you ever wondered where you get your cashew nut from? I'll tell you. You get your cashew nuts from this plant. This plant has this product which is cashew nut. When you pluck it, it looks like this. When you clean it, it looks like this. But there is a problem here. What is the problem? Too much of moisture. How do you remove the moisture? Simple. Either you put it on the terrace under direct sunlight. We are a tropical country. We have huge amount of sunlight. Or if you have a simple microwave or oven, you can put it and roast it, done. But is oven required? Maybe, maybe not. Without oven also, in sunlight also, you can actually remove the moisture. Because if moisture remains, then fungal infection will happen here. So the moment you remove the moisture, then this raw cashew nut, you can simply put salt, sugar, flavor, color, and you can package it. What did you observe? That you took raw cashew nut, raw cashew, let's say its price is 600 rupees per kg. Wow, 600 rupees per kg. Why? Because even if you take raw cashew, it's considered to be a premium product. Why premium product? Because this raw cashew already has, high nutrients, which is premium, considered to be premium, present inside it. So if you take such a raw material, which is already costly. Why? Because there is some nutrient which is already present inside it. Without using too much of machine, which means you don't need a factory, basic sun drying, you can convert this raw cashew into this kind of packet, which is processed cashew. This type of food processing, where you simply take a raw product which is already premium and then you convert it into something which is more usable. So its price will be roughly, let's say, 1400 rupees per kg. So what has happened? Premium item has become more premium, but you do not use too much of machine inside it. This type of food processing is called as value added process. So under a value added process, those items are taken which already have very high value inside them. Without using too much machine, you convert them into something better with a better life and better taste. That's your value added process. That's number one. Number two, now let's have a look at this, please. Now, what you can do is, to explain this method. So what did I tell you? What is the meaning of food processing? So I told you the first definition of food processing, which is value added process. The second definition of food processing is called as manufactured process. See, manufactured process. So if somebody will ask you define food processing, what will you say? There are two definitions. One, which is value added process, which I already explained, which is for cashew nut, almonds, groundnuts. And what is the second one? Second one is called as manufactured process.